Can you get excited about building your economic legacy? Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated and Epsilon Gamma Omega has several initiatives that we support. Target 3 is about entrepreneurship, and the Black Dollar 365, where we promote successful Black-owned businesses with a goal to create new business opportunities and advance the power of the Black Dollar 365 days a year. So sit back and relax and learn how you can support one of your very own local businesses.
Hey everyone, I am so excited that tonight we have the privilege and the honor to learn about our finances. Nakeetsha, hey girl, how are you?
Hey, I'm so glad to be here. Just excited to be with you.
Oh girl, I am so excited. So tell everyone what type of business, well first, what is the name of your business?
The name of my business is Financially Savvy, Spiritually Sound.
Wow, what a powerful name. Wow. Now tell us, where are you located?
Well, I'm based out of Madison, Alabama, but because of this great internet world we live in, I'm able to service people all over the world.
All over the world. So it don't matter where they are. They can be in a whole nother state or even a whole nother country for that matter.
Yeah, I had someone from another country reach out to me via the internet, and she and I had an assessment on Zoom the other day.
Wow, that is so impressive. So,
Yeah.
how long have you been in business?
Well, I've been in business about 2 years, but honestly, in the last 2 to 3 months, because of us recently becoming debt free ourselves, I've been able to really pour into the business.
Wow. So, yeah, and I tell you right now, this is the perfect time for us to really focus on our finances. What
Mhm.
type of services do you offer?
Well, I offer coaching services. I do a blog at financially savvy, spiritually sound.com. I also offer a podcast on anchor.fm. Yeah.
Okay, all right. I love it. So now I'd like to know a little bit more. Like, well, what will people hear when they contact you on that podcast, or what kind of information and content are you going to be bringing us?
Well, I think it's important. I mean, there are a lot of resources out there that tell you about getting out of debt, but I really wanted to focus on the spiritual side of things and just bring in some of the biblical principles that my husband and I use to get out of debt.
Okay, and I believe that that was a substantial amount of debt in a short period of time.
Yeah, working together, he and I, we were able to pay off $224,000 in debt in just 22 months. We
20.
tackled those big, hairy student loans that people
Oh,
they were going to die with. And I just want people to know you don't have to die with those. Yeah.
yeah, man. I tell you what, that those student loans, they really do. They really do put a toll on you. So that is awesome. In 22 months,
Mhm.
$224,000 worth of debt, working together, but utilizing your principles that you will teach and coach. And it's also going to be on your blog and in your podcast. That's amazing.
Yeah. I think it's just real important for people to, like Christians, we know what to do with the 10%, but nobody's talked to us about the 90%. And in
Yeah.
order for us to be good stewards, we got to use all the gifts that God has given us. We got to be good stewards of our finances as well as our talents and gifts that God has given us. Yeah.
Absolutely. And it's a sense of freedom. Someone had said to me that when you have debt like that, you feel like there's some bondage. And
Yeah.
when you have that debt gone, there is a sense of freedom. So that is
Yeah.
what you're doing is so imperative, and especially right now in the
Yeah.
current times.
And the freedom, you talk about the freedom, and I just want to say, we got out of debt about 6 or 8 months ago. The freedom that I've experienced, that's what I want for everyone. I want everyone to know what it's like to be free to pursue your passions and callings, and to be able to actually use your gifts.
Absolutely. Well, I am so grateful that I have been able to get to know you and learn more about what you're going to offer, because it is definitely going to set a whole lot of people free. So tell them, how can they
Yeah.
contact you?
Okay, well, you can reach out to me on my website at financially savvy, spiritually sound.com/coaching services if you're needing help with your finances. If you just need prayer, you can also go to that same website and click on contact. Send me an email. I want to pray with you and empower you so that you can get out of debt and live free and pursue your passions.
Absolutely, absolutely. Well, I am so grateful. Thank you so much for taking the time to tell the world what they really need to know about how to be free financially. So I am so, so grateful. Thank you so much for having this.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you for inviting me. I'm just really excited about where we're going to go with this ministry. Even though it's a business, it is my ministry to help people to become good stewards.
On behalf of Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated and Epsilon Gamma Omega, Target 3 wants to say thank you. Thank you for supporting your local business owners here in Huntsville, Madison. We look forward to bringing you new content every week, so stay tuned and continue to support your local businesses.